breakfast. Ooh, cute little cafe here. Look at this. I can cook eggs here. Okay, let's try this and film this at the same time. Or not. Okay. Give me 1 second, I'll put this in. Okay, put my eggs in and get those little timers, and then I want it to be 7 minutes. So we'll come back later. So we were chilling out in the lobby area after breakfast, and we're back. Gonna head out into the rain. Unboxing of the Swatch Omega collection that Justin wanted.
Pluto, and it's a maroon color.
Can I just spit?
No, you're not even an Aggie anymore.
Stephanie bought the Venus collection, which is the pink one.
I'm not gonna wear it.
You're not? And what are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna resell it.
어이가 없구만. Justin's excited because he's looking at really rare Rolexes here.
I like these ones. So I think that's a Pepsi. And that one is the is it? Oh, that's not.
He's excited. He started talking by himself.
Can we walk inside and can we buy a Rolex?
Can you lend me like 50 grams?
It's the cutest shop ever. Oh my god. I want all of this in my room. It's so pretty. It's closed, Jelly's sad. These are the postcards that she wants. I wish it was open. Hello, came to Coop again for the millionth time, and I found my favorite Barada. So we are in Toblerone town, so they have a lot of Toblerones here. Cool.
He's finally replacing this.
I know, this bag is 25 years old, guys. For those who know my dad and traveled with him, you probably know this bag.
No, like, I literally have never traveled without this bag.
I know, this has always been
This
there.
is part of his body.
And now he's gonna get a new one. We are back at our hotel. We just took a look around the town, and we are going to take a little rest. So I rested a bit, and we're heading back to the spa. Thank you, Mom. Hit me up on FaceTime from your bathtub, saying I should come over and help scrub. We got something special, that's what I thought. Come through, baby. Let's just be hasty. And you said maybe. We made lunch reservation at 6:30, so we're gonna head over. We're here at the restaurant. Very interesting vibe. Not what I imagined, but I'm very excited for the food. It's made out of wood. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Got raclette here and the lamb dish that we ordered. Some dried meat. Yummy. We had dinner and it was really good. I was eating lamb steak, but it didn't taste like lamb. It just tasted like beef. So I guess that's good for some people, but I like the taste of lamb, so It was really good, so I highly recommend. Here we are again in the balcony after dinner, just chilling. Good morning. So it is almost 7 and I saw the golden horn earlier. It was very beautiful. Took some pictures and now we are getting ready to check out so we can hike up near Matterhorn before we leave to Milan. So we left our bags at the front desk and now we are about to go hike.
Hi ho, off the hike we go. 117 Swiss francs for us 5, and we even got the Swiss Pass discount, and that's still pretty pricey.
Oh, made it on time.
Please get on board the Peninsula.
Cool. We're in Sunnega and we're gonna go up to Blauherd so we can hike. We arrived in Blauherd. Amazing weather, everybody. Wow. We are ready to hike. Whoa. The vibe here is definitely different. We're here. The thing about this area is that there's a lot of rocks, but also they kind of sparkle in the sunlight, so it's pretty interesting. So it is cold up here, but because of the sunlight and the hiking, it gets pretty hot too. So you always want to layer up with clothes just in case it gets hot or cold, because the weather changes very frequently here. So yeah, sadly, Matterhorn is covered, but it's still a really good day to hike, so we're thankful for that.
Jump! Angelina, jump! Yes, you can.
Bye, Stelli Lake.
I'm waiting on the other side for you. And it can be hard to find. And it can take a long, long time. I can see that you've been looking for it too. And I'm waiting on the other side for you.
Since we're missing the little top, here it is, Tableau Mountain. We're in Matterhorn, as you know, and it's also called the Tableau Mountain. So here we have the Tableau, and we gotta eat it here. Whoa, we're in the clouds now. Wow, that came quick. Can feel the cloud right now. We're going in, it's getting foggy. Into the unknown. Whoa. we're touching the clouds. We discovered sheep in the midst of the clouds. Oh, 너무 귀엽다. Back in Blauherd, and we're gonna purchase the mountain carts down to Sunnega. We're getting ready to ride the mountain cart.
Yay! Let's mountain cart. They gave us glasses. Cool. Say hi.
On my nightstand, wanna see the world, but I don't plan. Head up in the clouds, not getting running out of minutes on my left hand.
손이 다 빨개. 야, 완전 건조해졌어. 아이고, 여기 편지라가지고. 이거 똥튀긴 거야? 나한테 똥튀긴 거야? 약간 똥튀긴 거 같아. 바지도 얼굴이 안 좋아. 나 내 의자에 여기 똥이 있어. 너무 저기 똥 있단 말이야. 그런 애가 있네 여기. 벌써 수네가야. 안돼. 나 더 타고 싶단 말이야. Back to Zermatt. Whoa. Came back to this cute art store and bought some stuff for my room. This is the postal office. I will be returning the traveler's Wi-Fi we have been using. So the post office is closed because it's a Saturday. So I might have to find another box in a different city before we leave to Italy. Oh my god, I found it. Thank the Lord. Put it in. Yay! Okay, gotta leave. Okay, we made it to the train. First we're heading to Visp, and then Brig, and then Domodossola, and then Milan.